Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be talking about skincare. I have with me here the Pond's Gold Radiance Youthful Day and Night Creams. I've been testing these the last couple of days to see how they work for my skin. Now the Pond's Gold Radiance range is an anti-aging skincare line. This was discontinued for some time, but now it's been brought back into the Indian market on popular demand, and right now it is exclusively available at Health and Glow. It's available in their stores, on their app, as well as on the website. I'm going to put the links in the description box below. Now as the skin ages, the skin cells lose their vitality, and that's why the skin begins to look dull. It loses its glow, and with the weakening of the cells we see age spots, unevenness, as well as wrinkles on the skin. These products have been designed to re-energize the cells of the skin and to give you a more youthful, a more radiant look. The formulations combine effective anti-aging ingredients along with real gold microparticles, which is what gives you that instant brightening effect once you apply these creams onto your skin. I also like how the gold theme has been incorporated in the packaging of the products. I think the packaging looks quite luxurious and reflects that gold radiance idea of the products really well. The first product I have here is the Gold Radiance Youthful Glow Day Cream, and this comes with SPF 15 and PA++ protection. Now this is lightweight on the skin. It doesn't make my skin greasy, but it also feels very nourishing at the same time. So it's not something that's very matte, it's not something that's too dewy. It just leaves this slight, nice, healthy looking sheen on the skin, which I really like. I feel an instant effect on my skin when I apply this. My skin is instantly more hydrated. It has this nice dewiness to it without it looking greasy, and with regular use this helps in fighting fine lines, wrinkles, as well as age spots. Another thing I want to mention is that I really like the fragrance of these products. It's very mild, it's not overpowering, but it feels just really nice and pleasant to use. It's also a bit of a nostalgia factor because I remember using this range even though I didn't really need it when I was 22, 23 years old. But I remember using one of these creams and really enjoying it. The next product I have here is the Youthful Night Repair Cream. Now this has a slightly thicker texture and consistency as compared to the day cream, which is typical of most night creams. So this is a little more nourishing. It just moisturizes your skin really deeply, takes care of any kind of dryness, dullness. You do see an instant effect on the skin once you apply this. Your skin will have this really nice healthy sheen to it, and with regular use this helps in giving you a more radiant look. It also helps address fine lines, wrinkles, unevenness, age spots, but you have to make sure you use it for 3 to 4 weeks at least to see the more deep-rooted effects. And just like the day cream, this is also enriched with gold microparticles. I would recommend this range to women who are beginning to experience like the first signs of aging, and in my experience it's always good to use several products of a range together so that the ingredients can reinforce each other. So if you want to try this, I would say try the day cream and the night cream together for better results. Since my skin is on the oilier side, I like the feel of the day cream a little more on the skin. The night cream can feel a little bit heavy at times, but for someone who has really dry skin, I think it's going to work really well. The Pond's Gold Radiance range is now available on Health and Glow. It's exclusive to Health and Glow right now, so if you want to buy it, you can buy it from their stores, from their website, or their app. I'm going to put all the links in the description box below. And that is all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you soon in my next one. Bye.